so I'm gonna bring it to the shop, like I said, but I'm not gonna do a cold start because I don't believe in these cold starts. I don't think it's worth anything. It's just wear and tear on your motor. So it's in the 20s today, and tomorrow Saturday, so it should be up, I think, around 40. So it'll be a little easier starting, and bring it over, get it in. For one more quick little ride before I put it in for the winter. Quick ride around the block or whatever. Put it in the garage. garage door open. Alright, so I got the stack extension off it. That's off now. One mirror on the passenger side, I had to take the brackets off. Like that, so you can put it in the garage. So let me show you how we do it. It's in. Very tight fit, as you can see. But I think we did all right. I don't see any damage on it, so I think we're good. Now I just want to put over more in this corner here because it's going to be here all winter, so gotta make room to get the sander out later. So I'm going to put it right in this corner here. I think we'll be good. All right, so we got the truck inside finally. Got it back from the shop. It was there for like 3 weeks or so. I told the guys don't be in a hurry to get it done because they had other stuff to do. So what they did, I had the radiator all flushed, cleaned out. New radiator hoses on it. Got one right down here to show you. Got a blue one on there, so that's all new. And what else they do? They got radiator. They put new radiator hoses. They put new heater hoses. New front shocks on it. They put a new air filter in it, and they put all new slack adjusters on the front and rear. What else they do? They put a new air dryer. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a brand new air dryer under there. I guess the old one was old and it was hard to get parts for, what they said. So they put a new air dryer on it. Other than that, they checked all the brakes. The brakes were fine on it. They said it doesn't need to be replaced, so that was good. Other than that, just a lot of odds and ends. I'm not sure if you remember my my air switch for the window. It was working, but it was leaking a lot of air. So they put a new air switch in it for the window. It goes down real good, but it has a hard time going up. And went up actually easier before, believe it or not. So I don't know what's up with that, but it does work, but very slow going up. I'm surprised they didn't replace the back shocks on this. So I'll have to do that myself. I'll replace those. And I want to clean up the airbag, like the plates here too, where it all connects. I want to clean those up a little bit, probably take them off, sandblast them, and clean them, paint them. And yeah, it's been sitting outside all summer. I took it out in probably early summer, late spring. I took it out, and it's been outside the whole time, all summer. It's been through some pretty good rainstorms. We actually had 10 inches of rain, believe it or not, in one day. So it was sat out in a lot of rain, unfortunately. And you can tell all my work that I did to clean up the frame. I should have painted it, but I didn't paint it. But so I gotta take care of that this winter anyway. Get all that cleaned up and repainted, and get it all greased up again. get this rear ends painted, shocks on it. Got a lot to do, so we're gonna get that done. Got to replace this hose here for the sliding there side fifth wheel, and that's got to be replaced. And I see some other stuff that I kind of wish they did replace, but they didn't. But it's easy enough, I can do it. It's just some hoses here. Sort of power steering. The power steering's up there. Those hoses, they look all right, but they go all the way down there, all the way up to down there somewhere. But I think those should have been replaced too. But not a big deal. I can do that later, so that's all right. But that's it for now. You know, I'll have some more videos coming out, and as we work on it in here in this shop here, this is just a storage area, so it's going to be out of the winter weather, which is really good. So can't complain about that. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.